In the beginning of this video, I'd like to share something with you. These videos have been created in places with their own set of challenges and difficulties. Filming in public spaces, with their bustling and dynamic environments, sometimes involves unexpected objections and obstacles. For instance, street vendors sometimes express their concerns and ask us to delete footage. Additionally, we occasionally receive comments from people who are not happy with filming in public, even though it is legal. Despite these challenges, our goal has always been to showcase the true beauty and rich history of this city. Unfortunately, there are also sometimes biased and hateful comments directed at Tabriz and Azerbaijan, which misrepresent the reality of this vibrant region. Your support through likes and positive comments can help us fight these misconceptions and highlight the true spirit of Tabriz and its people. We kindly ask for your support in this journey. Tabriz, one of the oldest and most important cities in Iran, where history speaks through every stone and tile. Today, we take a walk together through the heart of this historic city, a place that holds within it over 7 centuries of life, trade, and culture. With its unique architecture, the city is like a living museum. Every corner, every arch, and every dome tells a story from times long past, yet still very much alive here. From the brick ceilings and old doorways to the winding corridors that continue to pulse with life. In these streets, not only goods are bought and sold, but stories and history are exchanged. The shops and stalls are filled with color, scent, and the sounds of life. From Tabriz's hand-woven carpets to local sweets and aromatic spices, each item tells a tale of this land. Amidst the hustle and bustle, there are moments of profound silence and tranquility. It is this peace, accompanied by the sound of your footsteps on the ancient stone pavement, that reminds us that here, the past and present intertwine beautifully. Now, I've decided to keep the rest of the video with just the ambient sounds and no narration, allowing you to experience the atmosphere of the city in its purest form. I hope you enjoy it, and please let us know in the comments if you prefer videos with narration or without. Your feedback means a lot.
Buyurun. Hoş geldiniz.
Bugün kod etmedin. Mesela bir işte çam var. Orada da
Haber geldi. Akşam no.
O güzeldi.
Biraz
Bir daha 100 dolar.
salary.
Aldas! Aldas!
oradan gelen ne?
Sağdan xeyli xoş olmalıyım.
Sağ bak. 110 bin.
Valla. hava ne tam?
Hava da tam. Hava.
Hani bu da var benim.
Dolar göre hanım. Dolar değil nerede de
I hope this brief journey through Tabriz has given you a glimpse into the beauty and history of this city. Here, in the heart of the city, life and culture of Tabriz breathe endlessly with every moment.